beautiful, horrendously smoggy day it is. I don't actually think we've seen smog this bad in a long time. But anyway, we're going to still go out and try and enjoy ourselves. We're going to head out to the Karen tribe village, which is literally just, I think it's just a few minutes away. Seeing as we didn't get to see them the other day, we're going to try and head out there today. We're also going to go and check out a temple. And then I think we're going to go and see the famous Pine Canyon. We don't really know, we don't really have any high expectations for the canyon, but I mean, we've looked at some photos and stuff and it looks pretty nice. So yeah, we're just going to see, we're going to take it easy today. We were going to leave early, but we were talking with family and you know, plodding around. So it's 10 o'clock now. I think with all this smog, I don't know if you can see behind us, barely see past the first hill. I don't think it's gonna, I don't know if it's gonna make it hotter in the afternoon or not, but let's see. I'm in a jumper right now.
Sophie's joining the tribe. You want to pick that one out and show?
So, can hardly move. So this here is what the lady next to
Three kilo? Some kilo.
3 kilos.
Wow.
This already, this is just a pretend, you can see here.
A fake one.
This already, I can feel it on my collarbone. I can't imagine
Can
wearing
you hold it up? Wow.